Ooh. Come on. No, 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 no. Oh, you missed. Whoa, who the hell is this? Bro. Move. Bro, move. Bro, I did here. Okay, wow, so he's spinning out. Oh, what? Oh, impossible! Oh, like impossible, bro. Like what the hell, bro? Oh, I won't lose. Oh, no way, bro. Like what, bro? Bro, come on, bro. This serious? Criminal. Oh, I side dash. Okay, I can't do it. Okay. Oh my god, I'm cooked. Hey, you're hitting me with this. Okay. Oh, wait, come back. Oh my god. Decent. But why do people do this, bro? Come on. Oh my god. What? What? I blocked. Miss. Okay. Like what? No, like come on, bro. Serious? This serious? Like there's no effing way, bro. No effing way. I missed. Finally, bro. No. Beat him up. Beat him up. What? Oh yeah, I forgot you marked it.
Did you know it's time to raise our sailors? It's freedom like you never knew. The eggs for the past. Say the word, I'll be there in a flash. You could say my hat is off to you. Or we could zoom all the way to the moon from
Oh, he's dead. Oh yeah, do all that. Why did you do that, bro? Why did you do that? I was just trying to help you not to get teamed on. Now we want to cook, bro. You can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me. Wait. Table. Alright. Where's my base up? Yep. Why did you do that? You about to lose, bro.
It's time to jump up in the air. Jump up, don't be scared.
Oh my god. Don't help him. Don't help him. Don't help him. Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
Start to swirl. Don't fear or shame.
Yo, chill, bro.
I'll be your one-up girl. So let's all jump up super high.
Oh my god.
In the sky.
Oh my god. No. Yes. Yeah, I like I did that a lot. Oh no, no, that's actually cool. Wait. Wait.
Odyssey, yes, see. 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 Odyssey, yes, see.
Thumbs up.
Odyssey, yes, see. Odyssey.
Oh my god, what?
Spin the wheel, chase. The journey starts a new romance. A new world's calling out to you.
Oh my god. That's lame. You got that, you got it.
New addition to the cast. You know that
Yeah, man.
every captain needs a crew.
This is what I meant to please, bro. I win. I win.
Come on and jump up in the air.
Why? Come on, fight me. Fight me. Fight me. Fight me. Fight me. How did he move when I'm hitting? What? What the? Wait a Thank you. Yeah, I don't think that's true anymore. I don't think that's true. I'm okay.
Spin the wheel, chase. The journey starts a new romance. A new world's calling out to you. Take a turn, back, and a new addition to the cast. You know that every captain needs a crew. Take
Can I go with the finisher?
Just
I'll go with the finisher.
different points of view. Jump with me, take coins with me. Yeah. Come on and jump up in the air. Jump without a jump up, 'cause you know that I'll be there. And if you're short on joy, don't quit, just don't
Finisher.
forget that.
Oh, no, I have my cutting off. That's fine. They can trans me. They can trans me. They can trans me. I'm sorry. They can trans me. What? I'm not gonna wait till They charge me? Yeah. Oh. Wait, hold on. I want bait him. Okay. Throw your bait. Throw your bait. Royal bait. Oh my god.
Damn, Zion, this is fire.